In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform sprint planning with Jira. We'll begin from a Jira project view. If you're currently inside a Kanban project or list view, that's perfectly fine, because from here you can navigate to the area where you'll set up a Scrum workflow for sprint planning. The goal is to get into a Scrum board, open the backlog, create a sprint, and then finalize it using the on-screen prompts. First, go to your Jira project page. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Spaces. This is where you can move between different work areas and project structures. If your screen looks slightly different, just follow the same general navigation path and use the sidebar to locate the relevant section. After that, click on Scrum. This step is important because sprint planning is built around Scrum boards in Jira, not Kanban boards. Scrum gives you access to a backlog and sprint features, which are essential for planning work in time-boxed cycles. Next, enter a sample name for the Scrum setup and follow the on-screen procedure to create it. Jira may guide you through a few setup screens here, and that's normal. Just continue through the prompts until the new Scrum board or project is created. If you're naming it for practice, keep the name simple and easy to recognize. Once the Scrum board has been created, click on it to open it. This will take you into the working area where sprint planning happens. From there, click on Backlog. The backlog is where your upcoming work items live, and it's the main place you'll organize tasks before starting a sprint. Now click on Create Sprint. This adds a new sprint section in the backlog so you can begin grouping work for the next development cycle. After the sprint container appears, click on Create. Depending on your Jira setup, this may allow you to add or create issues that belong in the sprint. Then enter your sample details, and once you've finished, click on Complete Sprint. At this point, Jira may show additional prompts or confirmation windows. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to move through the process. Finally, continue following the prompts on your screen, and then click on Complete Sprint again if required. Jira sometimes asks for one last confirmation before closing or finalizing the sprint-related action, so just review the details and confirm. And that's it. You've now gone through the basic flow for setting up a Scrum board in Jira, accessing the backlog, creating a sprint, and completing the process using Jira's built-in prompts.